In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Yahoo Mail password. We'll walk through the process in a web browser, keep it straightforward, and make sure your new password is strong and secure. Start by logging into your Yahoo account using any modern web browser. If you're already signed in, you're all set to continue. Once you're on a Yahoo page, move your cursor to the profile icon in the upper right corner. Click it, and from the menu that appears, select Manage Your Account. This opens your account settings in a new page where you can control your sign-in details. Next, open the Security section. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the left sidebar or as a tab across the top. Inside Security, look for the area labeled Ways of Signing In. Under that, click Password. At this point, Yahoo may ask you to verify your identity before making changes. Just follow the on-screen prompt, which may involve entering a code sent to your recovery method. Now, create your new password. Enter a secure password that uses a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Aim for something long and unique to this account. Avoid personal details, dictionary words, or anything you've used elsewhere. A helpful approach is to combine a few unrelated words with numbers and symbols in a pattern you'll remember. Type your new password once, then re-enter it in the confirmation field exactly the same way. Take your time here, even a single mistyped character will prevent the update. When both fields match, click Continue to confirm the change. You should see a confirmation message that your password has been updated. Keep in mind, this may sign you out of Yahoo Mail on other devices. If an app on your phone or computer stops syncing, simply sign back in with the new password. If you use a password manager, update the saved password right away so everything stays in sync. Quick recap: log in through a web browser, open your profile menu and select Manage Your Account, go to Security, choose Password under Ways of Signing In, enter your new secure password twice, and click Continue to save it. That's it, you've successfully changed your Yahoo Mail password. When you're ready, you can also explore additional security options in the same Security section for extra protection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.